Today we're making a super easy and creamy white sauce pasta that's perfect for lunch, dinner, or whenever you're craving comfort food. Let's get started. First, bring a large pot of water to a boil, add salt and oil. Add your pasta and cook until al dente, firm to the bite. Drain the pasta and reserve about a quarter cup of pasta water. Set it aside. Add oil. Add unsalted butter. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and whisk continuously for about 1 minute. This helps cook out the raw flour taste. Slowly pour in the milk while whisking to prevent lumps. Keep stirring and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the sauce thickens and becomes smooth. Add salt. Add pepper. Add Italian seasoning. Add garlic powder. Add grated Parmesan cheese. Add pasta. And that's it, easy homemade white sauce pasta. Serve hot and garnish with extra cheese, parsley, or chili flakes for extra flavor. Simple, creamy, and perfect every time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy recipes at home in Stephanie's Kitchen.